Hello everyone. Welcome to our video. Today we are showcasing our high-precision, fully automatic CNC stainless steel tube hole flanging machine. Custom developed for tube hole processing in heat exchange and liquid cooling industries. This machine is specially designed for 304 and 316 stainless steel tubes. It can automatically complete a full set of continuous processing procedures including multi-angle punching, hole flanging and tube end trimming in one single setup. Separate transfer and clamping on multiple machines are no longer required, which effectively reduces clamping errors and greatly improves product uniformity and production efficiency. The machine shown in the video is under real production test. The outer diameter of the processing tube is 76.2 mm, and the flanged hole diameter is 25.4 mm. Such pipe fittings are widely applied to liquid cooling heat dissipation modules, energy storage liquid cooling units, industrial cooling equipment and other liquid cooling industry products. This unit has finished assembly and is now undergoing full condition pre-shipment testing. After all inspections on precision, stability and continuous processing performance pass standard requirements, it will be fully packaged and exported to the United States. We provide a complete product line of CNC stainless steel hole flanging machines covering small, medium and large diameter tubes with high automation. Our flagship model can handle tubes with an outer diameter up to 300 mm and bigger, which meets mass production demands for large pressure vessels, heavy-duty liquid cooling pipelines and large heat exchange pipes. Custom non-standard processing solutions are available to fit various tube machining scenarios from different industries.